What's going on, guys? Today is Saturday, and I'm fixing to go get my son. We want to do the 4th of July thing today, hang out, do some stuff together today. Then we're going to watch fireworks and stuff tonight. Spend the day together and do some stuff. It's going to be a good day today. But now I'm on the way up to feed the stray dogs, make sure they eat for the day. So I'll bring you guys with me for a little bit and let you see what's going on. So y'all stay tuned, and I'll see you up here at the stray dogs. But they're up here waiting on me already. Take y'all with me. Brody, Buster. Hi guys! Look what I got! I got to throw some food. Yeah. On pizza crust? Yeah. Come here, Brody. Brody. Here. Come here. There you go. Got a little bit. I'll have to bring y'all some more water back, okay? Alright. Okay. Bye, Frank. Oh, Buster, boy, she took off. As soon as I gave it to her, she was excited. She took off with that food. They was happy to get that. I should have bought a gallon of water with me. So that way, they'll have plenty to drink today, but I'm sure they will fill the bucket up for them. Alright guys, I'm heading up to the gas station now. But I'll see you guys over at Timmy's. Talk to y'all in a little bit. Bye guys. Alright guys, we're not far from Timmy's. I'll be pulling up there in just a second. Stopping there to get gas and whatever else.
You need to get your windshield tinted, dude. I love mine.
I had to get used to driving the truck.
You gotta get it.
Guys, we got the gas at Timmy's. Next stop is go meet Seth. Gonna meet him up in near Dinwiddie, then we're going to the Amelia. Give him a call now and see where they at.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system 8042.
Hello. Hey. Hello. I'm on the way now. All right. Bye. Guys, I'm on the way to go get him. Going up there now to meet him. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Talk to you soon. What's up, YouTube? We're here at the big 100-mile yard sale. I got my son Seth here with me. We're gonna look around and see what we see today. Say hi, Seth. Let's see what kind of stuff they got.
No.
Yeah, that's a drill press.
I thought that was hydraulic press.
That's a drill press. Oh, check out these tools.
I don't need a tool because I don't work with them.
I always use tools.
Should get these right here.
Huh?
You can get these.
Yeah, I got some of them already. Yeah, I got some of them. We'll find something.
I'll help you find. There they are. Look, I see them all. You gotta do is look for Ashley's big old barn. Right there.
Mike ought to be calling.
I want to get that.
Alright, well, wait till we find Mike first, because we don't want to get something then just yet, okay? But we will get some stuff today, I promise. You got a hoverboard, don't you?
I mean, I do, but it's a wooden baseball bat.
That wooden bat? Yeah, look at the machetes. Come this way, buddy. Oh, I'm sorry. You go ahead. You wear a size 4.5, 5 shoes, so we might buy you some new shoes today too. Maybe find you some nice tank tops or something. No telling what we could find. That's a cool bike, ain't it? $300. That's where you put in the ground, you turn, and it turns the ground up.
Probably you.
Yeah, I got it.
Huh?
That can mess your back up.
Yeah, that'll straighten your back out actually. It stretches it. Where are you at, Mike?
We might have to go back to the truck because I'm just getting too hot.
We ain't gonna go back there yet. We gotta look for Mike. He'll be here. Then we're gonna sit down, go to the store and get us something to drink and all that. Okay?
Don't forget about the ice cream.
Yeah, they sell ice cream in there.
You want to give me a shake for a couple of minutes? Because I'm actually sweaty.
You what?
You want to give me a shake for a couple of minutes?
Yeah, we'll go inside the building and look. How's that? Oh.
What is it? Christmas tree.
150 for that.
They should have it somewhere.
Huh?
They should have it somewhere. Nowhere near Christmas.
Yeah, they sell Christmas stuff and everything. People sell all kinds of stuff through here. We'll cut through here.
Are we allowed to?
Yeah. Let's go around that cone there. Just stay beside me, okay? I don't want nobody to try to take you or anything. We'll stand in front of the fan in a minute. Does that feel good?
At least I want to see.
Yeah, it's a small TV.
I gotta watch this one. Can't take him anywhere.
Sell all kinds of stuff in here, don't they?
You want to get a bag? Because they have bags.
Huh?
You want to get a bag? In case?
Yeah. First, like I said, we'll go wait up, see what Mike wants to do. He might want to go do the rides now. So I'm gonna call him. See, now we're right back over at the store.
How many ice cream?
They sell it inside the store there. Hold my phone just like this, like video. Don't put your hand in front of the camera. Hold it like that, it'll leave the video thing. That's making a video. Like, put your hat like this till we get back to the truck. That's a nice TV.
All of them bikes are just cruising bikes.
Yeah.
The pin is missing, but you can buy
They're
it.
not really like fun bikes. They're just cruising bikes.
Yeah, they're cruising
They
bikes.
should offer me 30 and take it with you. So you need another one. One every month, right?
In the golf clubs.
Yeah, we have to get some of those.
That would be fun, wouldn't it?
Oh yeah, I love golf. Where's the motor walk?
Alright guys, this is part of the yard sale. So we'll continue this video back in just a few minutes. Talk to y'all soon. Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is what we're running into right now before the fireworks tonight. Look like we might get some bad rain over this way. Y'all stay tuned. We'll find out tonight whether we're going to have fireworks up this way or not. But this is what's going on so far in the clouds.
Make a video for a couple minutes until it starts sprinkling. Then we can go on the porch and watch the rain. Hear me?
Yeah, YouTube hears you too.
Oh, I forgot.
Yeah guys, this is what we get ready to run into. Hopefully they'll go around us so we go see the fireworks for the 4th of July tonight. Hopefully they'll still be good.
Yeah, it's sprinkling. Let's get on the porch and then you can start recording.
Do I say?
It's starting to sprinkle. Just go ahead and get on the porch and then.
Well, we'll be right for a minute.
Oh, that might be short.
Look at the wind picking up too, guys.
I just see a freaking flashlight. Yeah, the rain's going around us. Is it going around us?
We'll find out in a minute.
I hope so. If not, I'm gonna be mad. Because then I'll be able to see my freaking fireworks. Is it sprinkling out there?
No, not yet. Yeah, this is what's going on so far, guys.
Look at the clouds above us. Put the phone up real quick. Come back here at the end of the steps and
Yeah, it's
point
starting to drizzle now.
Yeah.
I ain't going out there too far after it's starting to rain.
just point the phone out there and see what direction. And it's starting to sprinkle. Alright, let's get under the house.
Alright guys, it's starting to thunder and everything. So I'm going to jump off of here and we'll holler at y'all in a little bit. Talk to you guys soon. Hey, what's up YouTube? Check us out, check us out.
I'm in the blue.
You got something on your face there, buddy. You got something on your face there, buddy.
I'm getting all the blue. Carry bunny. Open up. It won't go.
Yeah, what's going on YouTube? We're sitting here waiting on the fireworks to go off tonight. Got my son Seth here with me. Say hi, Seth. Say what's up, YouTube. Say what's up, YouTube. This is Mr. Otton Jr. right here.
Junior?
Yeah, you're a junior.
Oh.
Yeah, guys, we're just sitting here waiting on the fireworks to go off tonight, so y'all stay tuned, and we'll talk to you in a little bit. Alright, what's going on, guys? This is me and Seth. We're coming to you live from my here in Virginia tonight. We're going to be watching the fireworks tonight, so y'all stay tuned, guys. We're going to see what's going on. For everybody that's never seen how we do fireworks here in Virginia, you're about to see tonight. Y'all hold it up.
Do not stop the video. Keep it going this time.
I'm going to keep it going.
But you keep on stopping the video. Keep it
Yeah, because I make it where we put a bunch of room in it. We're going to record a lot of fireworks.
This time, don't stop the video.
Okay.
Do we have enough space?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm thinking I'm probably going to leave, but I might stay. That's what I'm thinking about, staying, but I'm probably going to leave.
You need help? You need help with that, what we talked about? Huh?
Did I get on top of the truck?
There's a kid on top of the truck.
That's what I'm saying. Can I get on top of the truck?
We're going to be stuck here for a while tonight, guys, because look how the people is here tonight, guys.
Did you hear me?
Huh?
I said, can I get on top of the truck?
Hey, you sit up there.
I'm needing a little boost.
No, you can't get this up there.
I need a little boost to get up there. If I do get up there. Have you ever been up there?
It'd make a dent in it if I got up there. I'm too heavy for it.
You never got on there before?
I got up there before, yeah.
Was it scary enough?
Nah.
I got the highest view right now. Actually, you're tall as they kind of do.
Huh?
I pretty much got the highest view right now.
Hey, you got a good view right now.
Mm-hmm. I'm in the chair. This if I had two chairs on top of one. I would what?
Yeah, you got a good view. You can see, we can see everything goes on.
Yeah. Just if I stand up, I'm taller than you now.
Yep.
But if you stand up, you're taller than me. We're actually pretty much identical.
You're almost tall as me, son.
Yeah, maybe like 1 inch, maybe not 1
No, I'm
inch.
probably about maybe a foot taller.
A foot taller than me. When I go up a foot longer or whatever it is, I'm gonna be as tall as you then, probably.
Yep.
She stuck a fork in the sock at one time and she kept walking on.
I'm burping a little bit. How do you even get up there if you wanted to?
Went on the roof. Just climb on the bed or don't sit up there. I wouldn't get up because it's dirty. You're better off to sit right there.
Why are you starting these freaking fireworks?
Yeah, they will in a few.
Hurry up, fireworks. Sick.
Here we go, guys. Here we go.
Yep.
What do you think, Seth?
That's freaking cool.
Didn't I tell you? Yeah, guys, we're coming to you from my here in Virginia tonight on the 4th of July. ain't it, buddy?
Not lying.
Didn't I tell you you'll like it? You ever seen fireworks like this?
A couple of times. We lit fireworks yesterday.
Not like that, though, have you?
I mean, we lit some off that goes up in the air, but that's it. And then they just pop. That little.
Well, not like this, was it? What do you think, Seth?
That's cool.
You like
And
that?
that sound is echoing all over here.
Look at that
It's
one.
raining, it's raining.
Yeah, raining sparkles, ain't it? Look at that drawing fly.
I know. That one's flying. It looks like gunpowder.
Uh-huh. See all that smoke in there?
I'd be scared, right?
Look at that one, Seth.
It's raining.
That's pretty, ain't it? Yeah, that was cool. Yeah, guys, we're coming to y'all from here in Virginia tonight on the 4th of July. It's for the people who are not able to get out and see the fireworks. Figure I'll give y'all a fireworks show tonight for y'all to see.
That's 100 feet.
Huh?
That's 100 feet right there.
Oh yeah. Or maybe higher. Now that's pretty, ain't it?
I mean, above 100 is 1,000, so.
Maybe a couple hundred feet.
Yeah.
What do you think of that, Seth?
That's freaking cool.
Do what, son?
I said that's freaking cool.
Wave to YouTube.
Huh?
Wave at them.
Ooh, look at all those. Wait.
Uh-huh. That's pretty, ain't it?
It's raining again. Those are sparkles.
Uh-huh.
All sparkles. There we go. Oh, that really hurt.
You see that heart?
We're definitely staying that
Oh
one.
yeah, we'll stay to the end now.
We're staying here until the end.
When the end of it goes off, it's gonna be like 100 of them going up at one time.
Look at that.
You like that one?
That one. Just falling down the sky.
Yes. Look at that one.
It's nowhere near the top.
No, I ain't nowhere near the end yet.
We already went through like a freaking 100 fireworks.
Huh?
We probably already went through like.
Hear how loud they are?
That's. Look how many things one's gonna be. Look how many things the next one's gonna be.
Watch them.
What color do you think they're gonna be? Oh. What color? What color?
Red. What do you think, buddy?
This is freaking cool.
You like it?
What if these hit an airplane?
Huh?
What if one of these hit an airplane?
They won't. They got the airplanes where they can't fly over there right now. It might be. Yep, that's the end. That's the grand finale. Getting close to it. Yep. Alright guys, this is the grand finale of it. That one was loud.
You can forget it. You should my freaking chest vibrate.
Loud, ain't it? Yeah, guys, we'll be getting close to the grand finale in just a little bit. This is how we do the fireworks here on the 4th of July in Virginia.
This is freaking money.
Huh? You like this?
After this, you're probably gonna meet my mom somewhere.
Huh?
After this, you're probably gonna meet my mom somewhere.
Okay. We'll
Yeah,
meet
you're
your,
gonna actually meet my mom.
we'll meet in Crew, so I'm gonna get your mom meet at Crew or somewhere.
Well, she probably ain't. She's probably somewhere else, but if she doesn't,
Yeah, we're getting close to the end.
it's probably is.
We're getting close to the end. And I'll have this on YouTube tomorrow night where you can show your mom. After I edit my video and everything, put it on my channel.
freak! I just went deaf.